What am I missing in today's photography? Apparently a couple of things, but mainly 3 things that I'll be talking about later on in this video. In a couple of seconds if you fast forward, or in a couple of minutes if you bear with me to the end of this mighty fine video I'm creating. But let's start with what I like. So have yourself a cup of coffee and talk about photography for a couple of minutes. Hi, and welcome to my channel. Thought I'd take a moment to talk about what I love and miss about photography. I love getting out there, being creative, documenting, talking to people about photography. I love to show my view of the world through photography, and for the longest time I didn't dare to show my photos publicly. And now I just love showing them off, since I'm proud of what I'm creating. And you should also be proud of your creations. I like talking to people when I'm out, even though I'm an introvert. But it's like I'm more talkative when I'm out shooting for some strange reason. My camera kind of becomes a shield, like Captain America's shield. I just don't throw my shield at people. I just aim my camera and press a button. You shouldn't throw cameras at people. Cameras are expensive. Oh, and people might get hurt. But there is something I'm missing quite a bit. And I do miss analog photography. I miss the sounds of an analog camera a lot. Digital is simple and fun, of course, otherwise I wouldn't do it. But I miss the smell of chemicals in the darkroom, not the smell of coffee. I miss fighting with film cans to get them open. I also miss watching the photograph appear slowly on the paper in the bath. That's so much more satisfying than seeing an image come out of a printer or on a screen. And if I had a place for a darkroom, and budget, I'd go analog any day. But until then, I'll use our digital darkroom called Lightroom with RNI presets to emulate film, and RNI is perfect for that. But the thing I miss the most about photography today is great photos made by real photographers in real newspapers. Do you remember these long, meaty articles about subjects that really doesn't interest you that much, but the articles were so interesting you couldn't stop reading and admiring the photographs and the text and actually learn something from newspapers? I miss them. I do. A lot. At least here in Sweden it seems like newspapers are more and more into buying bad photographs shot with cell phones by people who don't know how to take a photograph, or using general stock photos of rescue vehicles or something instead of having hired photographers. And since I'm a documentary junkie with an interest in society, politics and people, I love reading these long articles illustrated by amazing photographs. And the third thing that comes off the top of my mind that I'm missing is the time when we, me included, looked at photographs hanging on walls, neatly tucked into albums, or on larger screens than your cell phone can provide. Unfortunately, I am a part of this problem. That's almost exactly like listening to music on your phone using bad earbuds on a train to nowhere. Art should be enjoyed the best way possible, not constrained to a stamp-sized social media post or through small, bad headphones. View large and play it larger. Or as Yngwie Malmsteen says, more is more, and I agree with him. Less can't be more. Only more can be more. And I can't wait to start printing photographs for my new project, Boring and Mundane, and line them up for a website gallery, or even for a scene or book that I want to create and that I'm planning to create at the moment. I need to do something about this project, Boring and Mundane, that I've done for during this summer, and I want to do something bigger than just post photos on the internet and social media. So let's see where that takes me and my project of the boring and Monday. Thanks for watching this video, and follow me to the end. And please write in the comments down below what you miss in today's photography. Interesting to hear what it is, if anything. So after you've done that, go out, have a fun day, and just enjoy the rest of it the best way possible, preferably with a camera in your hand. Next week I'll talk about something else. So bye for now.